DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
You too good. You already know what time it is, man. It's your boy Jambisco. We back in the lab, man. You already know what time it is. We back with the shits. And today, you see what we doing, man, from the screen, bro. Yeah, man, we're there with one of my favorite artists out of the six. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, the artists are smooth and deadly, just calm and just, you know what I'm saying? And I got some exclusive footage from this artist later on that I got coming up, gang. You know what I'm saying? But before we get into that, yeah, man, you see what we're doing today. I'm back with Kman 6ixx. Yeah, feel me? And this one is featuring Young Star 6. Been a minute since we listened to a Young Star 6, ain't it? We need to check him out, dog. It's been a minute. It's been too long. Yeah, man. Well, today we're there with Kman 6ixx, Young Star 6. This one entitled Revenge, and this is off of Kman 6ixx Big League EP. You see me? I say, yeah, man. It's a dope track. Go and check it out. See what I deal with it. This one was actually reacted by one of the Dan Mafia members, you know. You see me? I say so. The Dan Mafia active and strong. So make sure you join the family. Yeah, man. This one was requested by Sion by Dog B. Sound Indian. Sion by Dog by. Is that Sion by Dog by? Is that like, you know, they'll be saying bye in some of the island? Is that like a play on my boy? But anyway, shout out to you, Sion. You know, big up yourself. He sent me this like what? A couple days ago. He's like, yo, do Kman 6ixx and Young Star 6 Revenge. And I'm like, alright, I got you, bro. But you don't know, due to what's been going on, it took me a minute to get around to it, but we finally here. I'll go and check it out, man. But you don't know, we already know say your Kman 6ixx bad already. And we familiar with Young Star 6, he's also dope as well. But it's been a minute since we reacted to Young Star 6. But we don't know. This is the one from Kman, so I'm expecting some smooth and deadly beats. You know what I'm saying? And then is the one named Revenge. So I expect him to talk about some revenge tactics in this. You know what I'm saying? Getting back at the, I most like him to talk about the 7. You know what I'm saying? So but we're gonna check it out and see what dog I deal with, gang. We're not gonna hold up the vibes much longer. Let's jump around. This is Kman 6ixx, Young Star 6 Revenge. Let's get it, gang. Hell, everything there Kman said. Long live Waka and Rebel 6, dog. Big man thing. You see me?
I don't feel them bad and mighty. I go hit gunshot badness. We don't pretend we run back.
Yo, who feel them bad and mighty? I go feel gunshot. You feel like say, yo, hey, easy yourself, bro. I like that. I like the intro already, gang. Just started, bro. Yeah, man. Come on.
I don't feel them bad and mighty. I go hit gunshot badness. We don't pretend we run back. Coulda God Almighty who got them back. Chop a pussy wall up tonight. Dig that AK, got a shine so bright. One left a whole base full of candlelight. You could feed them in the darkest night.
No. Why is he going so dark in this one, bro? Why are you going so dark? I like the flow on this one. This one deadlier than I think this one deadlier than the last one we reacted to from Kman, which was No Lethal. I think this better than No Lethal so far. I know that was a counteraction to Plumpy, but yo, I like this one. Come on.
Base full of candlelight. You could feed them in the darkest night. We have big long gun wrong, we like it certified. Them dirty hard boy, they deserve it die. Coach them all, make it last so versatile. You could have fat or skinny, we have hers fit boy. And if you jump on belly,
I want tear dog, them boy, they dog. You see me, we have gun and then don't certified. You see me, you could have fat or skinny, we have. Man say we have, what's a coffin or gravy boy? Yeah, that hold on there. Man say, yo, them dirty style, bro. You know what I'm saying? Dirty, come on.
The killer so versatile. You could have fat or skinny, we have hers fit boy. And if you jump on belly, me gun burst for joy. She gun man not attack. Should I know we are evil.
Say, yo, when you jump on ground, me gun burst for joy, bro. Ja. So the man come empty pan you and you jump on you didn't know you like a bus in the sky for happiness. One more clock coming.
She gun man not attack. Should I know we are evil, motherfucker. One of them boy you go sleep in the gutter. One by one you get head up, chip out 20 minute casing. 7 pound for your pussy boy. I'm a kick like Manuel Neuer. We done label a destroyer.
Bumbo Clyde and label a destroyer, my youth. I want to tear my youth. Man say, yo, three man a come for you, anyone know say that's how we evil, dog. I'm done tell you, man, yo, come on, gang. We not, yo.
They know where we inside. When the war time in the play. Don't slide and we come again. No risk, we come again.
Man said, then slide and we come again, bro. You see me, that means they miss. You see me, them feel the mission and then come for the eye, dog. Them slide, but you see me, when we come again, dog. Come on.
And we come again. No risk, we come again. Anyway, them dead, man, I drill them out. Team T like a place with the pussy them talk about. Pun on the most, make your man.
Anyway, them there where I drill them out. Team T like the blow. You see me like the place. How them I talk about, man? Come in.
The ball out execution style, boy, dead film out. Whole family at the new when the drag it roll out. The 6 player, man, run out in the face, brought it in the face. Big bomber, we use on the team. Fat boy must dead win the bros. TNT like the place while the rest of the
Fat boy must dead. Who that? Plumpy boss in name Fat boy. Eh? Come on.
Fat boy must dead win the bros. TNT like the place while the rest of them must knows. Man, I real dancers from since in the school. Come here run up in the pussy.
Man say Team T a lucky place while them a snooze, you know. You see me with bad line time from school days, you know, brother. You see me?
I shoot them bros. See you boy, then from me see the side of the game. Oh yeah, 6 7 pound for your pussy boy. I'm a kick like man, you well know. We done label at the show,
yeah. Easy no man, you know, play with the one man. Bomba Kman, I told you, Kman one of my favorite artists of the 6, but especially come to a bad man tune, diss tracks. You know what I'm saying, counteraction, cause man, no matter what vex man is, man come on some cool, calm and deadly. It's not every artist can do that, you know what I'm saying? But I just like the way how Kman does it, you know what I'm saying, gang? Come on.
Inside, when the war time in the play. Don't slide and we come again.
What time we no play, yeah. Don't slide and we come again. The man say I could have God Almighty who got them. Easy no man, Kman, bro. Easy now, come on. Light. Go for them night, darkest night, bro. Bombard. Yeah, man, that's why we wait till morning or daylight, bro. We're going at the darkest of nights, bro. You see me calling on my phone. No jokes, no jokes. Yeah, man, Kman 6ixx doing his thing, bro. You feel me? That's a vibe, man. I just love Kman 6ixx. A bad man tune and you see me and diss tracks, bro. You know what I'm saying? The way he just do the calm. Not everybody can do the calm thing, you see me? But it's because that's how Kman naturally is, it works for him, bro. You know what I'm saying? Every track this man coming like I got it still casting to blood clean. You see me, every bad man, I be a bad man tune the dog I make, you know. Yeah man, shout out to Kman 6ixx, man. Real Kman 6ixx, man. Big up yourself, you see me? Yeah man, dog. Even though I'm not jumping at the war with Byron too, don't get it twisted, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yeah man, real Byron and Kman 6ixx and TJ and Coyote and the Warren thing. You see me, so don't get it twisted, bro. But yeah man, I like it that style. You see me, I say shout out to Kman. Keep doing your thing, dog. You see me, keep shooting for the stars. Yeah man, we're gonna keep reacting to the tracks from the EP. I see other reactors, they did the whole thing in one go. I'm gonna do the track by track. You don't see me drop a different video, so look out for that, gang. You already know what time it is, man. Yeah man, I'll keep dropping your requests and I'll get it done. Shout out to Sion by Dog by. I don't know what that name. You need to change your name, bro G. But shout out to you, gang. You gonna see your name on the screen, man. Yeah, man. Shout out to everybody. Thanks for the love and support, gang. We're growing strong. Make sure you join the Discord. Send me direct videos directly over there. You already know what time we lit, man. Yeah, man. So shout out to everybody. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.